Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the top 10 benefits of strawberry cereal, why it makes a delicious and nutritious breakfast choice. Let's go! 1. Boosts immunity with vitamin C. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C, providing over 100% of your daily value per cup, which helps strengthen your immune system when paired with fortified cereal. You also get added vitamin C for extra protection. 2. Powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory support. The anthocyanins and polyphenols in strawberries help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, a key for heart, brain, and immune health. 3. Heart-healthy benefits. Combining fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, strawberries help support blood pressure and cholesterol control. Whole-grain cereal adds even more fiber and often includes folate and B vitamins that support cardiovascular health. 4. Improves gut health. The fiber and polyphenols in strawberries act as prebiotics and fuel beneficial gut bacteria. High-fiber cereal further supports digestion and regularity. 5. Supports brain function and may slow cognitive decline. Regular strawberry consumption is linked to improved memory and a lower risk of Alzheimer's, up to 34% less risk in some studies. The cereal offers steady energy to fuel brain function all morning long. 6. Helps manage blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Strawberries have a low glycemic index and help improve insulin sensitivity. Choosing a whole-grain cereal with low added sugar can keep your blood sugar more stable. 7. Nutrient boost, folate, iron, vitamin D and more. Fresh strawberries provide folate, vitamin B9, supporting DNA synthesis and prenatal health. Strawberry-flavored cereals, like Special K strawberry, are often fortified with iron, vitamin D, calcium, and B vitamins, helping fill nutritional gaps. 8. Aids in weight management and satiety. High fiber and light calories in both strawberries and cereal make this combo filling without being heavy. This helps reduce snacking and supports weight control goals. 9. Convenient and versatile breakfast option. Strawberry cereal is quick to prepare, especially with low-sugar milk or yogurt. You can also add fresh berries, nuts, or seeds to boost protein and fiber. 10. Tasty and kid-friendly. It has a naturally sweet strawberry flavor thanks to real dried strawberries and often no artificial colors or flavors, perfect for picky eaters or as a fun breakfast treat that still offers nutrition. So there you have it, 10 great reasons to enjoy strawberry cereal as part of your morning routine. What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Add fresh fruit? Mix in yogurt? Let me know in the comments, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty health tips.